Today we're gonna show you. Today I'm gonna show you my cube collection. Let's get started. First is the turning one. I did actually like a part. I did like a newt. It's like a turning. The turning quality it isn't bad, but it's not bad. Next one is the Shang Shao 3x3, and it's actually good. It's a carbon fiber. It moves great. You can speed a cube like this. That's perfect. Then now it's like this is an easier puzzle because it's like spinning here. I can solve it, but it's a little bit hard to solve it because how I can give this piece to that? That's hard. Okay, now we have to find. This is actually a shiny cube. It's actually a good puzzle. That's my favorite actually in my collection. And we got the mirror cube. So it's like when I turn it, then you'll see different shapes. You have to solve the shape section. It's like the colors, but the shape. Okay, this one is a normal 3x3. This was my first ever 3x3 with colors. And we got a 4x4 in my collection. It was actually the impossible one for my mom. Okay, and we got actually my pattern here. We got an easy cube. This is an easy cube. You see a chain, and look at this. I can solve it in actually quick. Look, solved. It's the easy one. Okay, I'm gonna show you the hard 8x8. This is a hard 8x8. This is an 8x8. I solved one of the edges by myself, and now I can just move it because then I will actually like broke this. And sometimes I play with this, like with this whole like. Sometimes I play with that. Okay, we got now the two small cubes. This is my new one. This is my old one. That one I just have at school, and that one actually just moves pretty not good. But this is good one. These are actually good ones. Now we got. And we got actually like you saw this one. Now we got a smaller one who actually pins my fingers. And this is actually my newest cube in my collection. Where is it? I get two Christmas cubes. You saw this one. I got another one. They're my first Rubik cube. That was actually a long time ago. Really lots of cubes. I think we have to actually another one. So it's like a good one. We got a fidget spinner. That's fidget spinner cube. Oh, I get lucky that when I spin that. Okay, we got actually so this one. And I guess that's what I don't put.